Hello guys, welcome back to Packwise Gear. So today what we are looking at is a series of tech pouches, which will go about from 1 liter to 2 liter, less than 2 liter, greater than 1 liter. So I have about 7 pouches here, which we are going to do in a series of 6 videos. And they are brands like Green Room 136, LOCHBY, we have Evergoods, we have Air, and Belroy. These are the 5 brands which are competing in these series of videos. And we are going to do various packouts. We are going to do travel, we are going to do daily EDC, we are going to do a tech kit, we are going to do a first aid kit, we are going to do a pill kind of a pack out, like pills and vitamins. So it's going to be an interesting video. So keep watching Packwise Gear. Hello guys. So the next one I have here is LOCHBY Venture Pouch. This comes in 2 different capacities. One is this bigger main Venture Pouch, and then we have Venture Pouch Mini. So I have both of them in Multicam black fabric, and let's see how I'm using them today. All right, guys, so welcome back to Packwise Gear. So what we're looking in today is these beautiful 2 pouches. So it's going to be a video. We're going to talk about LOCHBY and their pouches, and you can see my love at Multicam Black here that I have. I got both of them, and I got them in Multicam Black. All right. So, anyways, this video is not sponsored, so all my reviews here are my reviews. And so this is Venture Pouch regular, and this is Venture Pouch Mini. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to talk about in a nutshell momentarily, but I have 2 pack out here. One is my daily vitamin carry, my daily other items, I'll say the tech and the writing material I need to take my notes, because I'm studying these days for a certification. So I take this pouch, and put it in my backpack and on the go. So what I'm thinking to do is we can see how the mini pouch competes with pencil pusher, which is about 1.7 liter, and see about how the main regular venture pouch competes with 1.7, 1.8 liter capacity. So we'll really see how it's going to pan out, okay? And see what these guys can hold, okay? So let's talk about the structure a little bit. So this is the main venture pouch. So it has, let me close this out. So this is Multicam black fabric. They haven't talked about their what type of multicam this is, but I'm pretty certain this is Multicam Cordura, okay? On their website, I haven't seen it, what this is all about, but if I do, I'll put in the video. So we're looking at 9 inches, 4.75, and 2 inches, okay? From outside has 2 D-rings on the side, has a loop so you can carry from here as a carry handle, and also put as a hook. Could utilize this as a hook as well. So there are 2 zippers. So one on this side, which is kind of brings you to the main cavity of this. So the main compartment has 2 mesh pockets closed with the Velcro. This mesh is not stretchable mesh. This is more like Evergoods or Green Room 136 mesh. This lining is beautiful high-vis yellow and has a 2 compartment segregation here. So this can go on this side and utilize this pocket, or you can pivot here and utilize this cavity as well. Then on the other side pocket, this is more like a tooling. So has stretchable webbing. You can put different multi-tools in here. So pretty versatile pouch, okay? But keep in mind the webbings are attached to this pocket. So once we fill out, we'll really see how the structure goes, okay? Because if I'm adding multi-tools on the other side, how this pocket will hold. We'll see about it, okay? So let's put this on the side. Let's look at this in a nutshell. So this is Venture Pouch Mini. So again, same multicam black material, has two pockets. So let's look at this one. Kind of similar, where they have kind of split in between two cavities and mesh pockets with Velcro, very similar as the main. And on the other side, we have stretchable webbings where we can put stuff. It's going to be fun, guys. I already feel it. So let's do it. So let's do the pack out. Oh, by the way, so the mini size is about 7.2 by 4 inches and by 2 by 3 thickness. And this is 140 grams, and this one is 158 grams. Now, the price of this is Venture Pouch is 49, and this is 45. Okay, so let's do the pack out on the main Venture Pouch. And I'm thinking to go with this pack out and see how it's gonna hold. So this is 1.7 liter capacity. So let's rock and roll. All right. So in these mesh pockets, I'm gonna put the power bank by Anchor. Holds well. AirPods on this side. See if I can throw in my charger in there with next to AirPods. I can, but it's taking a lot of space. Then my power codes on this. I want to use this for pens, so hold on. So let's use this pocket for power codes, and so this is more like a tech thing building up here. Let me see what else I got there. So you're taking out from air and putting on this side. So this is my tech. So I'm going to close it out, and let's put my multi-tools on this like half-hearted clamshell. Let's see. This was that. See inside with this. All light, the big one. All right. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put my big idea design Sharpie in there as well. Maybe on the no, it's not okay. Because we got light on the other side. Let's see. So you can see the challenges of these things as well. Okay. All right. Now, see here, tech tools is in this compartment on the other side, but it's taking the space here. Okay. All right. So we got a big dump of pens. We're gonna see if I can put on the back of all my pens, which I love to carry with me all the time. Don't ask me why. Okay. I think I can. Ooh, okay. Okay, guys. Success. But I don't even think about opening the back pocket at this point, but let's see. Yeah, it's holding well. Okay. Okay, so we got 1.7 liter capacity stuff in this Venture Pouch, the main one. Pretty impressive, I can tell you that. Okay. Still a little bit of room. I think the capacity of this is around 1.8 to 1.9 liters. Okay. So, all right. Great success. Okay. So we're gonna put this on the side. and we're going to see what we can put in the Mini. So we have a bigger challenge here for Mini. Yeah. So these are my meds. These are for the morning. So let's see if we can take some of the morning and maybe some of the night stuff and see how it lines up in these pockets. Both are similar design. It's just like the size is off it. Okay. So I'm gonna put a day here, maybe night at the back. Okay. Well, Tums. Some other things. Inhaler, nose inhaler, chapstick. All right, still closing, still happy. Flatter items. Where I should put my flatter items? Okay, well, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so that is in there. Now let's look at the tool side of things. So this is from coming out of Pencil Pusher. So Pencil Pusher has kind of similar design. They do have a tool area, but I feel like I'm holding. It's not gonna do it because maybe I can put the smaller things. See, I can barely, yeah, stretch it open. Let's see. No, it's not gonna close. So with really small items, guys, maybe I'm able to close this pocket. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, that's it. Can you fit a holes in there? Okay. No, no. Okay, that's it. Okay. So this is Mini, and Mini was able to only leaving this stuff out from Pencil Pusher to be fair and square. This stuff out of Pencil Pusher, Mini was able to take a lot of things. Maybe I'm just thinking that Mini can handle one more item, but it's not organized. I'm just throwing it in there. All right. Well, Mini is pretty powerful. I can tell you that. Just leaving these two things out, Mini is pretty solid. Okay, so you can see here's the Packout from Mini. All right, guys. So this was a Packout. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Venture Pouch and Venture Pouch Mini. I think these are great packs, to tell you frankly, but I think the only compromise is the design of this, because you have the main pocket, which is up on the top here. And then when you go back for your tools, the tools really need to be not thick, not like this. It has to be really like flatter items like multi-tool, a pen, and stuff like that. But the main pockets hold really well. I'm so surprised. Like, look at this. This is holding boatload of stuff, and similar here. Organization becomes like more challenging in this because you have a lot of pockets, but at the same time, you see all my pens are flying out. I cannot barely even see the middle gusset, which was actually I was using to go back and forth to fill it up. So it's very difficult to assess. Obviously, I can reduce number of pens. Obviously, I can go with minimalist. This is pretty much I got a smallest charger in the world, one cable, plot, and my AirPods. This is kind of minimal, travel a tech pouch, or yeah, I got too many pens, too many highlighters just to, fill it up. But it's pretty good, pretty decent. Has a handles, has a well, this one doesn't have a D ring, so it's only can one, but this one has a handle and two D rings. So I think these pouches are great. They're really handy. They're really versatile, and can really hold stuff. But the meshes, the if you fill the main pocket, then you have seen in my video that on the other side I was not able to put a lot, especially in the mini. So yeah, just giving you guys some idea. But I think these are great pouches, and I love this color, so I picked them both up on my own, and I love these. And as I'm a huge fan of Cap One and Pencil Pusher, definitely I'm gonna use these two pouches in my daily carry as well. Well, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Keep watching Packwise Gear.